Guys, in this video we are going to learn some basics of C# with Unity. This video is going to be really important for beginners and intermediate level students. And I will divide this video into short parts like 10-minute parts of each video, then you will be able to understand it easily and completely. So without further ado, let's get started. In this lecture I will tell you what are header files, use of header files, what is function, use of function, how to use void start function and how to use void update function. So without further ado, let's jump to it. This is how Unity will looks like when you will open it. You will see many type of windows here. If you have watched my previous video, then you will know what are purpose of these windows. And in order to write a code, we need a C# script file. So in order to create that, we have to just right click over here and click on create and click on C#. When you will click on C#, you will see a file will appear here. You will rename it what you want. So I'm going to rename it to my first script. My first script. Alright. You can double click over here and open it up in Visual Studio. When you will open it, you will see many types of lines here, like using system.collections, using system.collection.generate, using Unity engine. So what are these lines? Let's talk about these lines. Basically these lines are called header files. Header files tell the script what we want to use. We will add header file according to our requirement. For example, here you will see using Unity engine. So we are telling the script that we are using Unity engine, and I will explain it more with examples. If we want to deal with UI and buttons, then we will put here using Unity engine.ui. So don't worry guys, I will explain it more with examples. So let's move to the functions. Basically functions are our slave. We get work from functions. So what kind of work we can get from functions? So it depends. If you are making a player, then you need 2 or 3 types of function. Number 1 is move left function, number 2 is move right function, and number 3 is jump function. And you can add more functions if you want to add more things in your player. Alright, so this was the work of function. We will make a game in this series, then I will explain you more about these things. So let's jump to void start function. What is work of void start? Basically void start function is used to execute statement in the first second when game start. For example, if I will write here print statement, my first lesson. If I will write this statement over here, then it will print anything in Unity for one time in first second of game when game will start. So let's test it now. Save our script and move back to Unity. Make sure you have attached this script to anything of your hierarchy component. So I'm going to attach this to main camera, otherwise it will not work. And let's play the game right now. So as you can see guys, it is printing here my first lesson, you can see, and it prints it one time because we write it in void start. Similarly, if we will write it in void update, it will print it in every second. Let me show you guys. If I will play the game right now, you will see it will print it in every second. You can see it is printing again and again in every second of game. Basically it is printing in every frame. So This was work of these two functions. Means void start is used to execute statement in the first frame and void update is used to execute the statement in every frame.